Hello everybody, Lego Dude here, and today I'm going to show you my Lego Transformers Sentinel Prime. So, this is a Transformer in my Lego Partsformers series. Oh, so these are not actual Lego Transformers, these are Lego parts forming Transformers. And the way these works is I have some spare robot mode parts. I have Sentinel's torso with his, I have Sentinel's shoulder assembly with his head, and then I have Sentinel's legs. Alright. He does roll. Which I'm really happy that he rolls. I didn't really expect him to roll. And you can see inside that inside is where I do store his robot mode parts. And I'm also going to make another Lego Transformer, Revenge of the Fallen Megatron. And I will do an instructions video for Revenge of the Fallen Megatron after I do my Devastator instructions videos. Anyway, for the transformation, the transformation is very complex. Well, it's not that complex, but it is complex. So what you're going to want to do is remove the siren, take off the mirrors, and remove this part. Okay, just going to set the truck off to the side for now. Then you're going to want to take this, put that there, rotate this around, position this back, and then you're going to want to position the lights in this way. There we go. And then you're just going to want to rotate these into position. Go. Here's the siren. The mirrors, you just put off to the side. Now we'll work on the legs. So what you're going to want to do is take the vehicle mode tires, and they will go onto the legs, sort of in an Optimus Prime fashion. And his legs do have this connection point right here, this little connection point right here, which will go onto the robot mode torso. Okay. And now we're going to take the torso we're going to take the shoulder assembly, and then put on the tires. And then you can position the arms in whatever way you so choose. Alright, now back to the fire truck. I'm going to take the roof, remove this, and then you're going to want to take off the windshield. And that will give you clearance for the shoulder assembly. And then you're going to want to take the windshield, set that off to the side. Now, then you're going to want to take these pieces off, and then set those off to the side. There we go. Then you're going to want to remove the rest of the roof. Then you're going to want to take these, which are stored inside the vehicle mode, and those will go in place of the windows. Okay, and then you're going to want to take this little piece right here, set that off to the side. These two pieces, set those off to the side. And then we're going to take these pieces. We're going to take these two pieces, which are actually for a really cool gimmick that I will show you right now. So the gimmick is, you take this whole section right here, you take off the whole back section, and then these two pieces will go in place of where the back section would connect. And once you're done with that, the back section should look like this when it's fully taken off. They blew them to bits. Okay, then you're gonna take these two walls, put them there. And now for the connection point in the legs. Those will go onto here. Okay. I'm gonna raise up the camera because he is tall. Or I will just put the camera back where it was and lay him down. And then you're going to want to take the roof sections, put them together until they make something that looks like this. And now you're going to take the shoulder assembly and plug that into where the windshield would go in vehicle mode. And then you're going to take the roof pieces, which I just showed you where to put them, and those will just plug into the back. There we go. I'm going to remove the legs for now. And then you're going to want to take the and if you notice, yes, I am using the mirrors to hold up the torso. The camera was falling over. Okay. Now we can move on to the torso. I can move on to the chest. So you're going to take the Sorry about that. Sentinel just does not want to stay out. No, 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 no. Alright, now you're going to want to take this piece right here. Fold this out. And then this piece does. And as you notice, there is no 2x3 on there anymore. That's because you're supposed to remove it. And you're going to take, now you're going to take these sections here, plug them onto his chest. There we go. And then we'll take this piece, we'll use that later. And you're going to want to take these two pieces. Now, I wanted to create those two triangular pieces on his chest that he does in fact have. I just wanted to recreate that because it looked really cool. And then this piece will just, and then you'll take this piece and just plug it around. Well, take it, rotate it, and plug it into his chest. And now we can work on the back section. So you're gonna take the mirrors, and those will plug onto the back of Sentinel. And then we'll take the siren assembly that I showed you how to transform, and this will plug in. So, and then take these windows, and then take these window assemblies, plug them in. So, go. And now I'm going to reattach the legs. Then finally we're going to take the front wheel axles and just reposition them. And there we have Sentinel Prime in robot mode. And I really love how this guy turned out. He looks almost like what he did in Dark of the Moon. We go ahead and spin him around. And then you can see that everything just plugs into the back. And he does have a fair amount of articulation. He can swivel in the head, his arms are fully articulated, his legs are fully articulated. So there you go. There's Sentinel Prime.